Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Python tutorial for beginners. My name is Anshuman Biswal and I'll be your instructor for this video. And in this video we'll be learning about the relational or the conditional operators. And in this video we'll be covering all the condition and the relationship operator in Python, and we'll be checking out one by one how these conditions and the relational operators work in Python. Alright, so let's get started with this video. And as you can see here, I have pasted all the available operators in Python. So coming to the definition of these comparison operators or the relationship operators, these are nothing but to compare the two values. So these are used in comparing the values. It can either return true or false according to the condition we're using, and that's why these operators are known as the comparison operators. Okay, so as you can see, this was the definition. Now we can check one by one how these operators function and how these operators work. So as you can see, we have the equality operator or the equal operator, which is basically double equals. So if I give num1 underscore num1 equals 10, and let me give num underscore 2 equals 3, and then if I give the value as print num1 underscore 1 double equals num2, as you can see I'll get the output as false, because these two numbers are not equal. 10 is not equal to 3, and if I change it to not equal to, suppose 10 is not equal to 3, so that is nothing but the exclamation symbol followed by equal to, and if I give that value here, now you can see it will return true because num1 is not equal to 2. Let's check the greater than. So greater than symbol goes by this symbol, as you have already learnt in maths, all these symbols. So I'm sure you all know what these symbols stand for. So this is the greater than symbol. So yes, 10 is actually greater than 3. That's why we are getting the value as true. Likewise, let's try less than, and you are getting false here because num1 is less than num2, which is not true, so that's false. And same way you can check for greater than equal to, which is followed by the equal sign. So num1 greater than equal to num2 returns true, and same way num1 less than equal to num2 will return false. So these are all the relationship operators, or known as relation operators. So just to summarize this video, it will return the statement either in true or false, depending upon what is the value or the outcome of these two numbers are. Alright, so that was all for this video now, and I'll catch you in the next one.